Greetings, adventurers. Welcome to Happy Trail Backpacking. This week, we are at Sand Dunes State Forest at the Northern Trailhead, and we are gonna hike about 4 miles and do some dispersed camping. It is a beautiful day today. It is a beautiful clear sky, 82 degrees, nice sunny warm day. We're gonna be hiking along amongst the pines here at Sand Dunes State Forest. Out and back, 4 miles. 4 miles in, 4 miles out. We're just gonna spend one night here. Yeah, there's not a lot of fall colors coming in over here, but you can definitely smell it. Fall is in the air. This trail is not a great trail. It's all sand, which I guess you could have expected, but I didn't think it was going to be all sand. I did expect there to be lots of sand, but it's 100% sand. All of it. Everywhere. Came out into a clearing and I've been hiking in the sun for about a half a mile. And it's hot. So I've hiked the 4 miles in and I'm in the Sand Dunes Scientific Nature area. Because I thought this is where the sand dunes were, the actual sand dunes. But there's nothing here. So guess I'm just gonna find a place to camp. Awesome. I found a spot. I was walking through this oak grove and I was like, this is a beautiful spot. I kept going back and then all of a sudden opened up to this nice little clearing. So I can just camp right here. I'll have an open sky for the stars tonight. Look at that sky. Awesome. Whew, it is really warm. I'm gonna take a 5-10 minute break. I hiked the whole 4 miles without stopping. There was nowhere to sit down. Alright. Take a little break and I'll set up. Boiled some water, waiting for my dinner to be finished. We're getting some beef stroganoff from Mountain House. Not sure if I had this one before. I know I've had beef stroganoff before, but I think it was Peak Refuel. I'm going to try this one. Got a couple minutes left. Got my tent set up over there. It is a nice, calm, quiet night. Alright. Finished dinner, cleaned up everything, hung my food. Just climbed into my tent and I'm listening to all the birds and stuff make noise. It's crazy. Alright, folks. It's about 8:30. I'm gonna go to bed. Just been laying here listening to the owls hooting. But I was up at 5 o'clock this morning, so I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, adventurers. It is about 7 o'clock. The hunters are out. I can hear them shooting. Anyway, it's time to get up, have some breakfast, and get packing up. Oh, it was a beautiful night. Laid and looked at the stars for a while. It was gorgeous. The owls were hooting. It was a great night. Alright, all packed up, ready to go. All I left is a little matted down spot of grass, which will pop back up after a couple days. Other than that, no one will know I was here. The sun is just starting to come up over the trees over there. Nice golden color coming over. Yes. And that's the way we're going out. It was a nice 53 degrees this morning. Nice cool morning. Everything in my tent was covered in a thick layer of condensation. Because there's no wind. It's completely still. Gorgeous morning. Okay, I am back on the trail. We're going to take a different way back. We have hunting going on back there. As far as I have found, there's no hunting allowed here at Sand Dune National Forest, but I think that's at Sherburne Wildlife Refuge, which is right next to this. I believe duck hunting opener was last weekend or something like that, so it's in full swing now. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but so Sand Dune State Forest is located about 45 minutes from Minneapolis, northwest of Minneapolis. It is maybe 20 minutes from St. Cloud. I would not think there's wolves out here, but this sure looks like wolf poop. Some old wolf poop. I don't know any other carnivores that would be out here. There's wolves in the woods. Oh. There was a sign just back there that said these trees here were planted in 1954. Getting back here to the parking lot. First of all, I'm kind of disappointed. Now I've been here when I was a kid. I think we stayed in the campground and we did some hiking, but there was an actual sand dune. It was like a fenced off area that you weren't supposed to go in, and there was just like 2 big sand dunes. I was hoping to see that, but I didn't see it anywhere. It's not marked on a map. I don't know if it even still exists. Yeah, I don't know. We'll try again sometime. This was an alright place. It's kind of a mixed bag. The trails, on the way in yesterday, it was all sand. It sucked. I hate walking on sand. But then today, on the way out, it was pretty compacted. You can see this trail here. So that's pretty nice. There was a lot of hunting noise and a lot of road noise. But at night it got pretty quiet. It was very peaceful at night. Had a beautiful sky to sleep under. I saw the stars all night. We had a good time. Nice cool morning for a hike. Awesome. We'll try to find those sand dunes again some other time. Thanks everyone for joining me. And I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.